Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing this beautiful face, I say welcome. So on this particular channel, we learn about how to turn digital ideas into digital cash. And today we're going to be talking about what creators struggle with, which is content, how to keep up with content for their business. So I'm going to be sharing my screen on how to go about it, taking those struggles off your plate. Let's go. So let me share my screen. We'll be making use of some AI tools today so that your work will be much easier for you, right? Because every one of us are here to make some cool money, right? With this digital products, digital marketing, and whatsoever. So we'll be making use of our ChatGPT. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, I will encourage you to go get one. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me off my camera so that this will be more of what we're about to learn. So today we're going to be working on how to take away all the struggles on what to post online. I know a lot of us, sometimes we have those beautiful ideas on our head, but for us to be able to implement it, put them into words is somehow hard for us, right? So possibly you have your digital product, you already have your journals that you have created, you have your planner that you have created on your Canva, you have different types of templates, but you are now thinking, how do I go about posting content about this? So today we'll be asking ChatGPT to do those work for us so that we can start making sales. So we'll be creating like 7 days beginner content plan so that you can build your brand, you can boost your confidence, and yes, you can even make some sales with your digital product. Even if you are starting from the scratch, you have few followers, you can do this, right? So I'll give ChatGPT some prompts. Control V, I have some prompt. So what to post as a new digital creator, 7 days content plan. So you tell ChatGPT, please create a content plan that sounds natural and educational. Bring in some positive vibes on these contents. On this. So I'm going to want to post as a new digital product creator, 7 days content plan. And we're going to tell ChatGPT to create script for us, right? So create a script, create a 10 seconds script as well as a catchy hooks together with some trending hashtags for my social media. Yeah, so ChatGPT is going to generate for us 7 days content plan, and let's make it in a tabular form. In a tabular form. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us, right? Yes, here is your 7 days content plan for what to post as a new digital product creator, designed to feel natural, educational, and uplifting while building trust and momentum for new creators. Each post include a 10-second script, a catchy hook, and a trending hashtags for your TikTok or Instagram reel. So as we can see now, right, ChatGPT now generated our 7 days uplifting content plan for us as a new creator, because we know that people don't buy products, they buy stories, right? So it's time for us to give them the reason to root for us, right? So why posting, why I started creating digital products. So this is more like you introducing yourself to them, for you to let them know that you are solving a particular problem. You already solved that problem for yourself because you were going through something that you needed to come out of. So you are solving a problem, like, right? So now we have, for the 10 scripts, I used to overthink everything. Now I sell digital products from my laptop. Here is how I started. You know, as a possibly you are a 9 to 5 worker, that you are a busy mom as well, that just created this digital product, and you don't know how to sell it. You don't know how to go about it. This script is going to help you on how to position yourself in front of your audience, right? So you need to be able to communicate with them, be real, tell them the reason why you are starting this digital product. So we have this script here. Now you can make use of your laptop, even as a new beginner. You don't need to be tech savvy. So these are catchy hook, from overthinking to earning online. So those catchy hook, they are always on top of your video, right? They are always on top of your video. Where's my screen again? So they are always on top of your video. So I have it here. So from overthinking to earning online, then we have some trending hashtags for your content. For day one, you can do this. You can also have some stories that you post. You post some stories. It can be you sitting down and just putting some hooks on top of your video, right? So those hooks are always above your head. It can be above your head, it can be in front of you. While creating those videos, you'll be able to put it in front of them. Let's assume you'll be like, from overthinking to earning online. Yeah, so you put those hooks there, then, or you put it on top with a beautiful color font so that it will be catchy to your audience. Yes, so we go ahead with second one. This is like a behind the scene of my first product. This was the Canva template that started it all. So here you're going to be sharing the Canva template you started with, right? And it doesn't need to be perfect. Some of us make use of done for you digital products that we don't need to create from the scratch, right? I don't need to create any ebook. I don't need to create any template, any journal, any planner. All I did was to tap into already working products. I tapped into already working products, and that's all I did, right? So I was able to make use of that and start creating content around that. So you can have your catchy hook, as I've stated earlier. my first digital product looks like this. Then you show them the picture of your first digital product. Show them. It can be like you can do a screen record of your first digital product. Then put trending hashtags on it. Then this is like behind the scene made with Canva, new creator. You can also have some hashtag like digital product, digital marketing, something like that, right? Just create something that is catchy, right? So I know your ebook might be a digital planner, it can be a recipe book or a vision board kit. So just show your audience the type of digital product that you created. Yes, use screen record for those digital products to show them how the products work, right? That is it for your day two. That you're talking about behind the scene of your first digital product. So, and the third one will be three things I wish I knew before. Three things I wish I knew. So what we need to do is just follow all the new script that has been generated for you. Three things I wish I knew before starting. You don't need to wait until everything is ready, right? You start messy and stay consistent and let it grow. Yes, you see, it doesn't matter. You can make mistake on the journey and you still keep growing. You keep growing. If I could go back, I'll tell myself these three things. So just the three things, point it out so that people can learn from you. A day in the life of a day in my life as a new creator. Here is a chill work from home day. Coffee, content, Canva, and clarity, right? A calm creator day. So those are the things you can create. You can create as a content and post them. Put your hashtags, put your hooks, look natural so that people will be able to relate with your kind of post, right? You can also teach about how you created your physical product, your digital product, teach about it so that you build some trust, right? Yes, tell them why digital products are better than physical products, inventory, give them tips on how to overcome struggle as a new beginner into digital marketing. So just keep it short and practical and as well friendly. Any of your posts, make it friendly so that people will be able to see the reason why they can also start this digital marketing journey. So currently my screen is is just there. I cannot scroll in or scroll out. So I'll be ending this. At least you are able to see how I put together the digital product ideas for your social media, so you can as well generate up to 30 days content ideas. You can create that. You can put it in a tabular form. You can put it in a like line form. No need, you don't want it to be in this kind of form that we have right here, this tabular. It all depends on what you want. So just make sure that you keep posting. Consistency is key. That is it. Yes. Your audience need to know that you are not perfect. Yes, and they don't have to be either, right? As for me, I'm not perfect. I'm not a tech savvy person and I still sell these digital products. So tell them how to turn those ideas into something. If they are skilled with a particular, if they are skilled with something, let's assume they are skilled with baking, they know how to sew, they know how to knit, they can as well create a digital product. They can create a digital product around that particular skill and put it as an ebook. Create those ebook. ChatGPT can even give you some ideas on how to put those things together, right? Even your ebook, ChatGPT can generate your content ideas for your ebooks. So once that is done, take them to your Canva, design it, use those beautiful elements, design your ebook, then list them on your store. So you list them on your store and you can teach other people how to do the same. So part of you teaching, those are also content. If you are showing them how you do your stuff, you can record those, post it on your social media, then people are going to learn from it, right? So you don't need to be perfect. I am not perfect. I'm just coming real the way I am, right? So my kind of people will attract me. That is the good thing about social media. You are not for everybody. No, you are not for everybody. Your kind of people will always locate you and they're going to be attracted to your kind of content. So that is it. If you see this educational, fun, as well as yeah, if you're able to get something out of this, then don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to share this content to your friends and family. Then come back for the next video. Put on your notification bell. Yeah. So I'll see you on the next video. If you have not watched my previous videos, go watch them. You're going to love them. How we are able to make use of some AI to also create a body care products line. So yeah, go check it out. See you in the next video. Bye.